How long did it take you to replace your Amazon income with your Walmart income?
That's a good question. It took several months.
Uh-huh.
And there's times today even when, we probably don't sell quite as much on Walmart as we could have, or maybe did have at certain times. On Amazon. One thing on Amazon is you can get into the replen business on Amazon, and you can really scale that up. I mean, you can hire people, and there's a lot of money to be made on Amazon. I don't think there are quite as many views on the Walmart platform as there on Amazon. I still kind of feel like overall there's probably more money to be made on Amazon, but if you can find the right niches on Walmart, and so like during quarter four, at least the first year that we were on Walmart, the toys just absolutely did great. They still do great. And if you can find the right things that people are buying on Walmart, I think there's more money to be made in those niches and at those times than there is on Amazon. So during certain months, we do, much better than we did on Amazon. I personally haven't got the replens up to the level that I once had on Amazon, but I think that can be done. And I think that each month that passes, there's more and more people coming over to the Walmart platform, and more people are starting to see it. And so will they ever catch up to Amazon? That's, I don't know that they'll ever catch up to Amazon, but they're getting closer and closer all the time. And, I think it's just a fantastic platform for people to sell on.
Absolutely is. Yeah. So you've actually, isn't it true you were able to replace your teaching income, your administration income from just Walmart?
Yes. Yeah.
That's amazing.
I mean, it's real close. I mean, I sometimes feel like, your lifestyle meets about, whatever your income is.
Sure.
And we're probably, I mean, without hiring more people or something like that, we're probably almost maxed out, because we get up in the mornings and we put together our packages and we send them in. I don't want to say we're coasting, but, we've got a system of, certain replens that we do and certain things that we sell and bundles that I've created on Walmart. And I'm always wanting to get more. And I definitely want to get back into Amazon. And we've also, we try to list at least one thing on eBay every day. And, we get a few sales from eBay. But I do know other people who are selling on multiple platforms, and sometimes you kind of feel like you're juggling everything.
Yes.
Because if you spend 2 or 3 hours on Amazon, well, that's 2 or 3 hours you could have spent on Walmart, and then you're trying to decide what's the best way to do that.
Yeah.
So I probably make close to what I was making as a school administrator. Some months I make a lot more. Especially during Q4.
Sure.
And so it's just the good thing about it is I'm not at the school all the time. I'm not having to deal with the conflicts and those types of things. So